Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining the show. Post down below during the video, a comment, share a like, show a love. Don't you just like going for a ride? There's always a car passing by. It's a brisk morning, still cold. Yeah, I was gonna go far. I'm gonna be nearby instead. I'm gonna be setting up my other bicycle, put the lights on it, change the handlebar grips. I have to go figure out if I can find a better seat, because the seat's worn out. Well, I'm shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 4, and I'm not 3 feet away from the camera, so you can at least hear me, and the birds are chirping, the lights are on. Right now, a car is not going by. Ooh, but the wind is blowing a little. So I am again. I'm going to show all the problem, the issue, and the resolution in whatever order you want to see it at. And we're going to see if we can, you got it, resolve the problem and just move on. Because it's not going to get fixed when things are perfectly the way they are. And that's the way DJI has left it, just the way it's at. I tried explaining my issues so clear that I wasn't explicitly clear enough. Well, I'm getting on out of here. I'm getting home before a car comes by. Weather. Why do I get emergency? Weather.
It's currently windy and 49 degrees.
Well, it's the wind that's making the 49 degrees feel like 30. I would have stopped to get a bagel and coffee, but now when a sandwich and a coffee costs $6.99. That is a lot of money. For what? 2 eggs, a little bit of cheese in there, and some. I could make my own and share some fun. Oh yeah, man. My camera's coming off of vacation soon. I'm going to see what's on there. Woohoo! Yippee! Alright. Man, this tree is nice. I can't wait to see the leaves on it when it's finished. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. It wasn't that long. It wasn't that boring. And it had some information. And if you want to get with it, do so. Don't let me stop you. And on that note, I know who I am. I hope you all have a great and fantastic day. Everything's changing. Happy trails to you till we meet again. I didn't do that for a long time. Have a great one. Later.